Welcome back to Master Glass with me, Livio, Lauro. This is a really cute episode I filmed with my daughter making non-alcoholic cocktails. I hope you enjoy. Welcome back to Master Your Glass with me, Livio, Lauro. Today, this young lady did not go to school, and so we're gonna make some Shirley Temples, a Roy Roger, and another drink of her creation, which she's not gonna show you quite yet. Welcome, baby girl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is my daughter, Gabriella, and she's on the show today, and she's gonna show us how to make drinks that she really specializes in. She's been drinking Shirley Temple since what? Since you were born?
I don't know.
Yeah, probably. Since right about you were born. Or maybe, well, let's just say we were good parents. We gave it to her when she was 1 year old. But nonetheless, she's going to show us how to make a couple of drinks. The first one is the Shirley Temple. Can you show us how you make it, Gabriella?
Okay, so I make my Shirley Temple by first I put my ice in the glass and I fill it almost all the way to the top.
Okay. That looks wonderful.
Thank you. Now, I take my high quality ginger ale.
Okay. And what do you do with that?
I pour it almost to the top.
Okay. Okay.
Next, I take my high quality grenadine
Okay.
and I pour it almost to the rim.
Okay. Fantastic.
And then next, I stir it. I add a cherry and I add a straw.
Awesome. May I drink it?
Yes.
Can I ask you a question? Why is your Shirley Temple brown and not red?
My Shirley Temple is brown because real grenadine is actually brown, not red. And as you told me, it's also healthier. Same with the cherries.
Got it. So that big bright red cherry is not healthier?
No.
Got it.
Next, we're going to make the Roy Rogers.
Okay. And what is a Roy Rogers, honey?
It's the same thing as a Shirley Temple, but instead of ginger ale, we use cola.
Oh, okay. Fantastic. Let's give it a shot.
Okay. First, I put ice in it and fill it almost all the way to the top.
Okay. So I see a pattern here. Is that going to happen with all three of your drinks?
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Why would we do that?
Because it needs to be cold.
Got it. Makes sense.
Next, I take the high quality cola.
Okay. And parents out there, notice the high quality ingredients. These drinks are going to be half the calories as your regular Shirley Temple and Roy Rogers that your kids are drinking out there.
And next, I fill almost all the way to the top.
Okay. There you go.
Next, I pour in my high quality grenadine.
Okay.
Almost to the rim.
Wonderful.
Then I mix it.
Very cool.
And add a cherry.
Super.
And add a straw.
Wonderful.
And I'm also going to put this to the side so that you can taste it later.
Awesome. Okay, so now there's a third drink, a mocktail, that I promised my viewers out there that we invented together, right?
Yes.
That is even lower in calories than the other one. And what is that called?
It's called the Shirley Water.
The Shirley Water. What is in a Shirley Water?
Well, the same thing as a Shirley Temple and a Roy Rogers, except instead of ginger ale and cola, we use sparkling water.
All right, can you make one for us?
Yes.
Okay.
First, I fill my ice almost all the way to the top. Then I put the sparkling water in, almost all the way to the top.
I see that.
Then I put my high quality grenadine almost all the way to the rim.
Very cool.
Then I mix it.
Give that a nice little stir. I like it.
Add a cherry. And add a straw.
Awesome. May I try your 3 drinks, baby?
Yes.
Are you going to want to try them with me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to start with the Shirley Temple, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Such a great drink. It's refreshing, which is why I'm happy you used fresher ingredients like the Free Retreat ginger ale and the liquid Alchemist Grenadine, because it's a lot less cloying and a lot less sweet and a lot less sugar bomb. Delicious. Roy Rogers, I don't know that I've actually ever had a Roy Rogers before, so I'm looking forward to this guy. Really, really good. It's got these really nice flavors of like berries and cola, and a lot of people actually think that grenadine has cherry in it, but it's pomegranate, which is why the really good grenadine is not red. It's brown/burgundy. And your world famous Shirley Water. And I'm just saying, I think this one is actually the best of the three, because I'm getting the sweetness. I mean, it's still a very sweet drink, but it's more, I can drink more than one of these, right? And then your choice of the glass, Gabriella, you used a smaller glass, which means these drinks are a lot smaller than what are typically served to people. So this Shirley Temple, this Roy Rogers are probably half the calories and half the sugar of an original one, but then you even made them in a slightly smaller glass, which makes them even more healthy. Very proud of you, girl.
Thank you.
Okay, you know what you deserve right now?
What?
You get to try all three of them. Tell me what you
Yay.
think.
Okay. Shirley Temple. Ooh, that was good.
Okay. Let's go to the Roy Rogers.
I've never tried a Roy Rogers.
You never have either? Okay, well that was two of us, I guess. Oh, that got a few extra gulps. Did you like the Roy Rogers even better?
Yes,
You
I
did.
think so.
Okay.
Now my very own invention, the Shirley Water.
Okay.
That's delicious.
All right. Well, high five. All right. If you like this episode, please hit like and subscribe and come back to more Master Your Glass with me, Livio, Lauro, and experts just like Gabriella, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption. Salud.